Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Run as Administrator not showing in Windows so you can regain full control over your apps and system tools. Now let's get started. Method 1. Step 1. Open the Start menu. Type User Account Control and click Change User Account Control Settings. This setting manages how Windows notifies you about system changes and affects admin permissions visibility. Step 2. Lower the slider one level down from the default position. This reduces strict notification behavior, which can sometimes hide administrator options. Step 3. Click OK and restart your PC. Restarting applies the new security setting across the system. Step 4. After restart, try Run as Administrator again. Check if the option now appears when you right-click an app. Method 2. Step 1. Open Start. Type netplwiz and press Enter. This command opens the User Accounts window where you can manage account roles. Step 2. Select your user account and click Properties. This allows you to modify permissions tied to your profile. Step 3. Go to the Group Membership tab. Here you can assign whether the account is Standard or Administrator. Step 4. Select Administrator. This grants full system privileges required for Run as Administrator to appear. Step 5. Click Apply, then OK again. This saves the changes to your account settings. Step 6. Restart your PC and try Run as Administrator. Restarting ensures the new admin rights take effect. Method 3. Step 1. Open Start. Type Command Prompt. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. This opens an elevated command window to repair system files. Step 2. Type SFC or scannow. This command scans for corrupted or missing Windows system files that may cause the issue. Step 3. Press Enter and wait for the scan to complete. The process may take several minutes depending on your system. Step 4. Restart your PC after the process finishes. Rebooting finalizes repairs and restores missing administrator options. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech guides.